Brandy in 60 seconds. Brandy is a spirit produced from distilled wine. In fact, the name brandy comes from the Dutch brandewijn, meaning burned wine. Usually brandy is made from grape wine, though fruit brandies are made from the wines of any fruit besides grapes. Pomace brandy, such as grappa, is also very common. It's made using grapes that have already been pressed once for their juice to make wine, and also includes their stems, skins, and seeds. There are many types of brandy found across the winemaking regions of the world. Among the most renowned are Cognac and Armagnac from France, and Pisco from Peru and Chile. With the exception of Pisco, brandy made from grapes is typically aged in oak casks for anywhere from 2 to 50 years. Many brandies are made with a blend of different vintages and rated by the youngest brandy in the blend. Older brandies are best enjoyed neat, while younger brandies thrive in a wide variety of cocktails. Thirsty for more? Check out our short videos on the different types of brandy mentioned here.